Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I fix the fan unit of my PureGuardian Ultrasonic Humidifier. The model of my humidifier is H965. This is a pretty good model for a small living room or even a large bedroom. The problem I had with my humidifier is it was producing mist, but the mist wasn't coming out on top of the water tank. Now, the first unit that I bought was almost 3 years ago, and after 2 years of using it, I noticed suddenly the mist was coming out of the bottom, but there was no mist coming out of the water tank top. Now, because it was under warranty, I did get a free replacement. This unit again worked for almost 1.5 years, and suddenly it started doing the same thing. I could see if I pull the water tank up, there was mist at the bottom, and the mist was coming out of these sides of the base unit, but there was no mist coming out on the water tank top. Now, I did some research online and it appears there is a fan inside, and it was recommended to check that fan and see if it is working or not. So I'm going to show you how I fixed and replaced that fan. First, make sure your humidifier is completely unplugged. You don't want to get shock. Remove your water tank top. Drain all the water from the base unit. Once you have drained all the water from the base unit, you can flip it over. Now, there are two screws here. You need to unscrew both of them. Then you can just loosen up this power cable. Put it inside like this. Now, there are 4 more screws. 2 you'll find in these 2 places. I already have this one out. I'm going to take this one out. And on this right side, you have to take these pads out. This one and this one. So I already have this one out. I'll take this screw out. So now that we have all of the screws taken out, you can open up the bottom unit. Just there we go. Now very carefully you have to pull it out. Make sure the power cable is tucked in, and there we go. So first, as you can see, this is the main circuit board, I guess, and this is the fan that's attached to it. It is connected at this port. You can simply pull this one up. Also, you can disconnect this fan plug or this port. Just gently pull it out. To remove the fan, you have to take out these 2 screws. All right, you can see the fan has come out. Now, this is actually the new fan. When I opened this up, I actually had this fan inside. As you can see, it is a Sanley DC brushless motor fan. The model is 5015. Specification says it is DC power volt 24 volt and 0.10 ampere. Now, first thing I did was I kind of opened it up. There are a few things. I think there are 3 clips here, here, and one here. So I'll open this up. This is the fan. So as you can see, this old fan has a lot of dust. I removed the fan and I had used a cotton swab to clean the dust, put everything back in, and it still didn't work. So what I did next is I searched online for the same model Stanley DC brushless motor fan, but I didn't find this brand. So I did the search on Amazon and I just searched with DC motorless brushless motor fan with 24 volt and found this. It cost me 1169 Canadian dollars, which is pretty cheap compared to the $60 new humidifier. So now that you have the new fan, you can simply put it back in. Make sure when you're buying the fan, it is this same model and same shape and size. So you can put it like this and then connect this holder. Got it backwards. Like this. Finally, you connect the wire of the fan with this port, not this way, this way. And then just pull out the power plug or the power cable, set it up so this light goes inside this opening, and that's it. So you have to carefully align these switches from the front buttons. So I'm going to just okay, snug. Alright, so once it is set, just set the power plug like this. We're going to attach this part. And finally, we're going to connect these 4 screws. And once all screws are connected, we put these pads back in. And now it's time to test our humidifier. So, like that. Oops! Spilled some water there. As you can see, there is no mist coming out. Now, I will admit that the fan may not seem as strong as the original fan that we had, but at least it's going to save me some time, and I'm going to save some money as well. So this is a quick fix for this humidifier. If you're trying to see why your humidifier is producing mist but it's not coming out of the top, you can give this a try. I believe this will be helpful. Thank you very much. I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Take care.